Hi everyone, it's Flo and I am back on YouTube for a makeup tutorial. I am using today this beautiful palette from Dose of Color. This is a collab with Desi and Katy, which are very famous YouTube stars, and today this is the Friendcation palette. This palette is absolutely gorgeous because it has all the shades you need for a neutral look, but also it has some pop of colors with some glitters. And I think it's very pretty and versatile. Here are the swatches. You can see it's very sparkly and pigmented. I wanted to focus today on this shade, which is Dirty Money, and this is a beautiful olive green. And you can see it's beautiful, and I haven't used any primer underneath. Here is the look I want to create today. It has the reddish tone I am obsessed with, and I think it's very pretty paired with this olive green. Here are the brushes that I'm going to be using. These are some blending brushes from different brands. We have Sigma, SM, and Morphe. I am using Churro on all over the lid. I think it's a really pretty shade, a nice base. You can see it's very pigmented and easy to blend. It deposits a lot of product at first, but it's very easy to blend. Now I'm using Girl Bye, which is such a pretty color. I absolutely love this kind of brown reddish tones. And I apply the product here onto the outer part and center of the lid. And of course you want to blend the edges so there is no harsh demarcations. And with a more cleaner brush you blend. Now on the other eyes, of course. Here is Dirty Money, which is, I think, my favorite shade from the palette. This is olive green with antique gold shift, and it's very pigmented, and the best way to use it is with the finger. And now I'm using the brush to blend out the edges. Now with chins, which is a dark chocolate brown, I'm creating more depth onto my eyes. This is the other eyes, of course, we are doing the same. And now I am adding just a kiss here onto the inner part of my eyes. And I am blending the edges like that. I'm going back with chins onto the outer part here. With both shades, chins and Girl Bye, I'm applying the product here onto the lower lash line with a pencil brush. You see it's very pigmented, and I am joining the corners together so it elongates the shape of my eyes. You can see my eyes are very tiny. They are not very large in terms of length and thickness. Don't know if it makes sense, but I'm doing this technique because it really elongates my eyes. And now with just a kiss, I'm applying the product here onto the inner corners. And one last time, I'm using chins here to deepen out the look and to join the corners and to have a seamless blend. Now this is IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I applied 2 coats onto my eyelashes. This mascara is very nice because it doesn't smudge and it elongates my lashes. And of course you want to apply the product onto the lower lash line like this, because again it opens up my eyes. Now moving on to the lips, this is Fenty Beauty lip paint in Unveil, which is a nice brown shade. And here I messed up my lines, so I'm cleaning everything, and to have the perfect shape I'm using a brush like this. And here is the finished look, and I think that the eyes paired with this brown lip color is really pretty. A close-up, you see the dimensions with the glitters, and here you can see the nuances of the shades. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I am very happy to be back on YouTube. And also, if you want to see more, you can check out my Instagram where I post every single day. So see you soon!